In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin a post on a Facebook business page. Start by opening facebook.com in your web browser. Make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, go to your Facebook business page. If you are currently viewing your personal profile, you will need to switch over to your business page first. To do that, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select your Facebook business page. After you click it, Facebook will switch your view from your personal account to the business page that you want to manage. Once you are on your Facebook business page, scroll through the page until you find the post that you want to pin. Take a moment to make sure it is the correct post, because the pinned post will appear at the top of your page and will be one of the first things visitors see. When you have found the post, move to the top right corner of that post and click the three-dot menu. This will open a list of actions you can take for that post. In the menu, look for the option that says Pin Post. Then click it. After you select Pin Post, wait a moment while Facebook applies the change. In most cases, the update happens right away. Once the post has been pinned, it will be placed at the top of your Facebook business page, so it stays more visible to visitors. Next, return to the top of your page. You can scroll back up manually, or use any quick navigation available in your browser or on the page. At the top of the business page, check that the selected post now appears in the pinned position. If the post is shown at the top, that means the process was successful. Your chosen post is now pinned and will remain there until you unpin it or replace it with another pinned post later. This is a useful way to highlight important updates, promotions, announcements, or any content that you want visitors to notice first when they land on your page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.